Welcome back to the Credit Society. I just got a 49,000 credit card revolving primary Tradeline unsecured reported onto my credit report. It reported to TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. This is a very good thing. Because of this revolving primary Tradeline reported for $49,000 with 5 years of backdated history, 100% payments on time. I can then go ahead and apply for a credit card and get up to at least $50,000 because of this $49,000 credit card from Citibank. So, where do you get this primary trend line? Go to industrytradelines.com. They have right now an individual account. It's a $49,000 revolving unsecured credit card that reported. The name is Citibank. Credit limit's $49,000. It reports on the 15th. It follows off after 4 years. It's an open account. 1% utilization. The price is $349. Basically, to purchase this and report this primary trend line, you can report it to your CPN. You can report it to your business. You can report it to your personal credit. If you scroll down, it'll tell you the steps on what to do. First, you choose which package fits your needs, add to the cart, place the order. Email them which information that you want to provide for the account you're getting. Since they have packages and loans, and since we're talking about the individual primary trend line, which is a revolving, here's what you want to do. You want to email them your full name, date of birth, address, phone number, email. If you have a social security, that's what you want to use, then provide that. If you have a CPN, provide that. If you want to report to business, provide that. And that is how you go about purchasing and submitting required information to report this primary trend line onto your credit report. Once that's reported, it will jump your credit score very high. I originally started with around a 700. Checking today, this is where we're at right now with my credit. I'm at an 822 on TransUnion and an 821 on Equifax. Now, if I do apply for a credit card, I can click on cards on Credit Karma, right? And you can see that I have 2% utilization. Everything is great with my credit. I can then go ahead. I have very good approval chances when it comes to American Express. I can get the Venture card. I can get a lot of things because I have a revolving primary line posted, and that boosts my credit score for me to get guaranteed approvals when it comes to any credit card. So go ahead and take this risk. It worked for me. It will work for you. Go to industrytradelines.com. They are legitimate and I recommend it.